Hi everyone, this is my strategy for my intermediate level ELLs. Intermediate ELL students have the ability to read and understand simple English, and we are meeting the TEKs by leading investigations that are used to learn about the natural world and explore how structures and functions enable organisms to survive in their environments. This strategy is called I Spy, and it involves taking students outside to the surrounding area. Then the students will be able to observe organisms on a first-hand basis. Whenever students come across an organism, you can ask them what the structure's name is, what its function is, and how it survives in its environment. That way that you are meeting the TEKs. Here we can see that I went outside and I got a picture of a blue iris. Here's a picture of a daffodil, and then I'm actually not really sure what this one is called. And if we came across an organism where we didn't know what it was called, we could go back to the classroom and look it up and build on their knowledge. So I thought that one was a really fun picture. So just like I did, I picked these, and then the students are able to take these back to the classroom so they can have back as a reference when they are completing their assignment. Over here we have the assignment that I have created for this strategy. It involves an image. You can use the picture that you have taken, but I thought it was just easier to have just pulled an image and then have them fill in the blanks. Another thing that's very helpful for our intermediate ELLs is to provide them with word banks. They're just now understanding simple English, so I think that the word banks will be really beneficial to them so that they're not completely lost. So once the students have completed their worksheet or almost finished, the teacher should lead a whole class discussion and tell the students what the right answer is, so that way they know if they got it right or wrong. And I think that this strategy is super beneficial because it enables students to interact with their surrounding environment. And by interacting with their environment, they're able to activate prior knowledge. And I think that being able to interact with the surrounding environment and collect samples is super beneficial because it provides meaningful experiences. So hopefully that the students will retain the information better. And not only that, but by the whole class discussion will improve their communication skills because they have to participate in that. And so overall, I think that this strategy is super helpful, and I wish I had done this when I was in school.